there guys! Welcome back to my channel! So today, gagawa ko ng Valentine's makeup look, so keep on watching! So first, magma-moisturizer tayo. So I will be using is the iWhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer. So ilalagay ko siya all over my face with little dots. Then i-spread ko siya using my fingertips or my hand. Next is primer, and I will be using the No Shine Mattifier from Quick Fix or Quick Effects. I-apply ko lang siya sa parts na madali ako mag-oil up at yung parts na may visible pores. So, i-spread ko lang siya at ipapat-pat para mag-sink in siya sa face ko. And for my foundation, gagamitin ko ay Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation from Maybelline at ang shade ko dito ay 220 or Natural Beige. Then, i-apply ko lang siya all over my face with my fingertips. Using a damp sponge, i-blend ko lang siya with a patting motion. For concealer, I will be using the concealer stick from Everbelena in the shade Light. Then, isuset ko siya using the Matte 2-Way Cake also from Everbelena. Set ko lang yung mga parts na nilagyan ko ng concealer, like sa under eye area, nose bridge, chin, and forehead. Pati na rin yung buong mukha with the same powder. And for my brows, gagamitin ko yung FashionBrow pencil from Maybelline. Ang shade ko dito ay dark brown. Using a light hand, isi-shape ko lang yung lower line ng brows ko to make a defined brow. Using the eyebrow liner duo kit ng Nichido to make it more natural at para i-fill in yung brows ko. Using the lash line brightener from Bobbie Cosmetics, gagamitin ko siya para linisin yung brows ko, yung lower line, tsaka yung upper line. Then, i-blend ko siya using this kind of brush para mawala yung harsh line ng ginawa kong line sa concealer. This is the FashionBrow Color Matcher from Maybelline. At isa-set ko lang siya using this At ang shade ko dito ay dark brown. Let's do our eye makeup. I will be using the Shine vs Matte palette from LA Colors at ang shade nito ay Sweet Romance. First, I will get this white matte shade at ilalagay ko siya all over my lids para maganda ang pagkakablend ng eyeshadow later. This is the light brown shade. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking crease with an open eye para makita ko kung hanggang saan ko lang ilalagay yung color. Blending circular motion, papasok at palabas. Next is the Cool Down Red Matte shade. Using this kind of brush or the pencil brush, i-concentrate ko lang siya sa folds or sa sakit ng eyes ko, blending with the light brown color kanina. With this palette, the Figtastic from City Color, kukunin ko yung metallic gold shade and ilalagay ko siya sa buong lid ko using my fingertips para makonsentrate yung color ng shade. Back to the other eyeshadow palette, kukunin ko yung medium brown at ilalagay ko siya sa outer part ng eyes ko. Then, i-blend ko yung harsh line no metallic gold kanina. Using the pencil brush, kukunin ko yung same shade na ginamit ko sa outer part ng eyes ko. At i-apply ko siya sa lower lash line para magka-smoky effect. Back to Figtastic palette. Kukunin ko yung dalawang light shimmer shade at ilalagay ko sa tear ducts or inner corner ng eyes ko. Using the 24-hour tattoo effect eyeliner pen from Nichido, magwi-wing liner ako halfway sa eyes ko para magkaroon ng illusion na bigger, wider ang aking eyes. And for my mascara, I will be using the Falsies Mascara from Maybelline. Hindi na ako magpo-falsies to make it more natural. To contour and shape my face, I will be using the Insta-Runaway Ready Contour Kit from Bobbie Cosmetics. And kukunin ko yung bronze shade to contour my cheeks, nose, jawline, and forehead. And for my blush, kukunin ko yung pinkish shade with the same palette and apply it to apple of my cheeks. For highlight, kukunin ko yung white shimmer shade at ilalagay ko sa highest point ng face ko like upper cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, and brow bone. And for my lips, I will be using the Matte Me Liquid Lip Cream from Sleek in the shade Bittersweet.
Each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. Each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Let's break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love.